And welcome back again to my channel. So this video is gonna be the eye makeup tutorial from my previous video. If you haven't checked out my previous video, click the link below or somewhere around here to watch the video first, because I'll be going through the base makeup and other than the eye makeup, because I don't want to combine the two videos. It's gonna be so long, so I really miss doing like super in-depth like eyeshadow makeup tutorial, and today I'll be doing like a bronze glam glitter kind of look. I'm not sure where is this going. I'm just going with the flow, and it's been so long since I like film a actual eye makeup tutorial, like talk through version, because most of the time, like, because it's been super busy and so many things has been going on with the world, and I have already always filmed the like makeup tutorial, but there's no like explanation or talking through, so I miss doing that, and I really hope to do it here today, which is what I'm be showing with you. So without further ado, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't already, like this video if you enjoy, comment down below what future videos will you like to see, and just keep watching. Okay, you guys, we're gonna jump straight into this video with the eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, I think I've not been using this palette for so long already. I think that a lot of other palettes came out and I neglected this, but this is definitely one of my favorite eyeshadow palettes. It's such a good like starter, beginner, and all the way to like pro, like makeup artist kind of like makeup palette. So I'm gonna be taking like a fluffy kind of brush. I'm just looking at my brush choices because it's been a while since I really play and talk to you guys about like eye makeup. So I'm gonna take a brush like this, which is more like fluffy, and this is the Brina Beauty B211 fluffy blending brush. So first thing first, always start off with a base color that is very similar to your skin tone, and everything you can just set it as a base. And next I'm taking this shade right here, the most center shade from the second row of the palette. It's like almost similar like to this background shade, and this one will act as a crease shade. So what is a crease shade? So crease shade is basically help to blend out, like for example you have upcoming shades that you want to blend that is more darker, so this one will ensure it to blend seamlessly. So crease shade is very important so that your makeup looks very blended. This one is more dense, you can see, and this one is, you see, more fluffy. So you can take this kind of brush and must be clean. You can just like blend it so that it's not as harsh, and it's just blending it like that. And next I'll be taking this shade right here, just below this shade that we used just now. So this, just now we used this shade, and this we'll be using this. I'm gonna focus it at the outer side, just like that, and use very light pressure so that you won't suddenly get too much pigment as well. So you can see the comparison. You can see this side straight away looks more defined already, and I'm not bringing it all the way because I want it to have like a more smokier outer corner for that more intense cat eye effect. So once you are at here, you use even more light pressure, like even more light pressure. Mainly you start off from the most outer corner, because the most pigment is actually there, so that you can displace your pigment there first. Then after that you slowly blend it above, but very light pressure. Taking the same shade that we used for defining, I'm just going to pile it all over at the bottom lash line, so you can see. So this part right here is like super easy. Just cover your lower lash line to become like panda eyes, okay? Don't worry, it will look well later. In the beginning you look crazy. I know, it's okay, because I do freelance makeup artist as well, and always I have like the base is always the same. Like for example, how you blend, how intense you want to be, then you go with different type of stages. Usually it's like crease color, a defining color, and a much more defining color. Just the depth of how deep you want it to go. But the most how to say, the shade, the lid shade is always the one that I say, okay, I can use this, I can use this, I can use this. So there's so many options. This one is very pretty. What is this? Okay, this one is, oh my god, this one is so pretty. I should use this palette more often. God, this one is so pretty. So I'm just going to pick it up just like that. Can see, oh my god, you can see. Okay, let's just put this down. At the inner part, it helps to open up the eyes even more. And then like if you use a darker shade, it will help to like define the outer corner. So I'm just gonna bring it in. Just now we used this one, now we're using this one at the outer corner. Oh yes, yes, I like it. Oh yes, this is the shade I've been looking for. I'm gonna put it at my bottom lash line as well. As I told you guys, I'm going it as I feel. Okay, I'm back and half an hour just gone by and you guys just waited for like 1 second. So good. So I already done this eye right here, and you can see immediately like the difference from this eye and this eye. I didn't touch anything from this eye because I still want to continue to show you guys. So what I just continued did is after I've like defined the outer corner from the last step we did, I'm taking this shade right here, which is a super duper dark chocolate kind of color, and just with this brush right here, the petite shader brush, and a little bit really goes a long way. So you need to really have a very small, intense, dense brush, and just poke at the outer corner. So what you're doing is you building up the shade is as well. So you can see slowly by slowly you can build up the shade. So just take a little bit, and you feel like you want more intense, just add along. And then if you're reaching at the top, you just go in circular motions, but don't too high, because we don't want to like make the shade right here to drop the lid. So just like that, you're gonna put it at the lower lash line. And the trick for a very nice like smoke out lower lash line is really do that face like that, so that you can actually widen that lash line corner. So why is that a reason? Because you know, just now we blended the first crease shade color here, and you can see the whole thing is not like super dark, so it has like a dimension to it. Next thing is using this product right here. This is the L'Oreal glitter shadow. It's, I believe, last year's holiday collection. I'm not sure whether you can still get it, or you can use some type of like glittery kind of pigment, kind of like shadow. I'm just going to make it like that, and I'm just going to bring it, you can see, at the inner corner. Okay, outer corner, how we're gonna make it like super intense is taking brown. I don't really recommend black, because black I feel like it's too intense. So I like this one right here, the Dark Cosmetic Get Inline pencil eyeliner. This one is the retractable one, and I'll be just lining back, and I'm taking it all the way in. Usually I don't do that, but for this look I really wanted it to like have like a, you know, the feeling right there. I feel like it's very nice. I'm just gonna take it, and then because it's creamy, so I'm just going to very messily run through it. And next thing, I'll be taking this product right here. This is the Can Make Creamy Touch liner, and oh my god, this product right here, if I recommend any eyeliner, if you want like a smudgy kind of eyeliner, just get this. This one is from the drugstore, is super duper nice. Why? Because the tip of this is so fine, guys. It's like, it's so fine, so damn nice, and it really helps to create a very nice, like, okay, can you see how fine the tip can go with this eyeliner right here? The trick really comes down to lashes. Oh my god, I just tried on these lashes right here because I got new pairs of lashes, and this is from Sheer Lash. I will put the Instagram handle here, and you guys, I really love their lashes. I think I ever started my YouTube channel, I always use their lashes. So this is in the code ADRA, and that is it. Wow, it's I didn't know sometimes lashes can take so fast. I thought you guys need to wait for so long, but this is the lashes look right here. You can see these lashes is really so pretty, and to be honest, even though you can see it's like, whoa, very dramatic, but it doesn't really feel very heavy on the lids, on the like eyelash itself. Of course there's something there, like really, of course there's something there, but it doesn't feel like very thick because the lash band itself is very thin, so it's very comfortable on the eye as well. So yeah guys, that's basically it for the eye makeup look. And if you guys want to see like the whole completed look, like including the lips, because I have some new lip swatches from Cosmetics, I'm just gonna show a teaser right here. So this one right here, this collection will be featured on the previous video, so make sure you guys check out the previous video, see how I done the base and every single thing. So yeah guys, thank you so much for watching this video on this super glam glitz bronze kind of eyeshadow look right here. I hope you guys enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to like this video and comment down below what future videos would you like to see. Thank you so much for watching, and hopefully you stay tuned of more of my upcoming videos. Bye guys.